Irina Nozelski, CEO of Hootsuite, was invited to Collision 2023 where she conducted a QA session with Evan Hansen. Hansen is the co-founder, editor-in-chief, and co-founder of Media.
Evan Hansen asked Irina the first question, "How are you finding your new job?" She shared in a matter of milliseconds that she had no problem becoming a social chief executive.
This relieved her of the pressure to justify the 30 minutes she spends on social media every morning when she wakes up.
Irina continued their discussion on the evolution of social media, the impact of technological disruption, and how brands can continue to be where their customers are, on social, where 5 billion people spend several hours each day.
We know that you are busy right now, scrolling through threads, so we've compiled a list of some of the most important takeaways Irina made during her talk.
Discoverability is the key to attracting your audience. It's more difficult than ever to strike the right balance between using social media channels to engage with your customers and keeping up with social trends without losing the unique voice of your brand.
Due to the volume of social media, users are now able to quickly assess content and determine what is interesting. Authentic discoverability is a key factor as brands begin to recognize the importance of social on a wider scale.
We've seen that Gen Z has influenced the shift in social media, and social users want content that is relatable and speaks to them not as consumers, but as people.
Irina summarized, people want to buy directly from people. The greatest strength of your brand is its employee base. Hootsuite has seen time and time again that when customers unleash their greatest strength, their employees, it amplifies the expertise of their field by human-to-human interaction.
Colliers, an investment management and professional services company, is a shining example of the impact an employee advocacy program has on an organization.
Hootsuite Amplify enabled them to provide quality content that was brand safe for their 18,000 employees. They could then share it on their channels. It was easier for employees to create their own personal brands and increase awareness of Colliers by using the tools that were most important to them.
What are the results? Colliers employees in 2022 shared 4,700 posts. This resulted in an impressive reach of 9.5 million people, a 43% improvement over the previous year.
Remember the days when companies feared that their employees would talk negatively about them online? We've come a very long way since then. Although this is a relatively new area, brands still have a lot to learn.
Those who trust their employees will reap the benefits. By providing employees with brand-safe social media content, you can empower them rather than put them at risk.
You can't ignore customer service on Facebook. Poor customer service is the most common way to lose customers. You'll remember a time when you had a bad experience with a customer service team, whether it was in person or on the phone.
The thought that comes to mind is, you don't deserve my money. In fact, according to a J.D. Power found that 67% consumers had used social media to contact a company for customer service.
They also expect a quick response, with 42% anticipating a reply within 60 minutes and another 32% within 30 minutes. Irina explains that not being on social media 24/7 is no longer an alternative. You can see it in action every day.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. Click on the link below to visit our website for more detailed information.